Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. Today, I'm in quarantine, like most of you guys. Well, self-distancing, social distancing, self-quarantine, whatever. Not going out in the public. Not really doing much today. So, I got out here, I was cleaning the garage, and it's such a beautiful day. Pulled out the Warren Hubs for our 1978 FORD Bronco. Being that it's almost 70 on the puppy thermometer, no wind, let's go ahead and dig in. Let's get these guys in there. Let's start with getting out the broken hub that I broke off in the axle 2 winters ago. So, we had Snowmageddon. I think that was it was last year. Snowmageddon 2.0. And I couldn't get the hub to lock in. So I went to take it off with an Allen wrench, and all the bolts decided to round off, and the bolts did not want to back out. So I took this hammer, this exact hammer, and I lightly persuaded the hub off so I could run a self-tapping screw into the collar, as you see right here. Get all the dang dogs are shedding. And I wedged this into 4-wheel drive, got through the snowstorm just fine and dandy. In fact, you guys saw there was a clip a while back when we did the Snowmageddon 2.0 video that I'm like barreling through like 2.5, 3 feet of snow, pushing snow with the bumper of this Bronco. And came home, parked the Bronco, haven't drove it much since. That side's stuck in 4-wheel drive. Well, it's stuck in the locked position. So we're going to go ahead and remove that side and do that side first. And then we'll do the second side. But if you're tuning in for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, regardless. And comments do go down below, guys. Don't forget to check out my buddy. He's growing in leaps and bounds over at HODGE, PODGE, DODGE Garage. Just the other day, Zane tried to set a Chevy on fire. It's kind of entertaining. Go watch it. So, with that being said, guys, sorry to pick on you, Zane. Let's get started on this hub swap. Jeez Louise. Should be a clip, which I'm not seeing in a groove. Does that not exist anymore? That's not good. I'm gonna have to hunt down one of those. I can persuade that out easy. Take the outer big ring off first, and then we'll... Ooh. Hopefully the new ones just come with new hardware. Otherwise we're going to have to clean that up. That's just gross. That's the only thing holding that hub in. Let me grab some pliers. That was, wow. We're missing the clip, guys. Or maybe this style of hub don't have any. Whew. I'm gonna go ahead and run some flush in there and just clean things up, and I don't want to get this GoPro all dirty, and I'll catch you guys when I get done cleaning that hub up. Alrighty guys, in our new kit here, we have our new locking hub assembly, a new spring, a new outer locking, I guess you'd call this the dial for the hub. And then you've got some new screws, which there should be 6 of them, and there's 6 new screws. There's also a new, we didn't have that on ours, but there's a new keeper. There, the C-clip for the axle shaft, and a retainer clip to hold the hub into the hub. I've got it all cleaned out. I'll go show you guys. I'm out of parts cleaner, so I used some PB Blaster and some shop towels. Got it nice and clean inside there. We are going to be coming back. If you haven't done your wheel bearings, it's a good practice right now to just tear it all the way down and repack your wheel bearings and check it. I actually just want to replace the wheel bearings soon. I think this summer we're just going to go back in there. Not really driving the Bronco much right at the moment, so we're going to go ahead and put this hub back on. It'll be easy to get right. It'll be real simple to get this hub back out again. So for right now, we're just doing a video on the worn hubs, but good practice. Pack your wheel bearings. You're right there. You're right there. So doesn't matter which way this goes, guys. Just go ahead and insert it in here. Slide it all the way back. Then we're going to go ahead and grab your axle shaft and pull it out. Hear it pull out a little bit. Grab our new C-clip. There should be a groove. And if it doesn't, then we know why. We're gonna have to do some investigation, guys. This C-clip will not fit on there. That's not good. We'll come back to that in a later video when we do the wheel bearing, but this is good enough. This guy right here will hold your hub in from flying off going down the road. Put your spring on. This hub's gonna need to be replaced. This is too loose for my liking. Alright guys, it's a different day and a different dollar. Not a different episode, same episode. I left off with putting the passenger side worn hub in the other day. We couldn't get that clip on. And then off camera started to do a little bit more investigation. We're just putting that on hold right now. Worn hubs are going to work great. But we're going to have to give that full front axle a clean bill of health. And the hub does not fit inside the hub housing very good. It actually has a little bit of play. So we're going to order some new hub housings for the driver's side, passenger side. New wheel bearings, new races, have the axle shafts taken down and pressed with new U-joints. New calipers, new rotors, basically knuckles out are getting rebuilt. New ball joints. We're going to go ahead and just go full on, get everything replaced on that axle. With that being said, not going to put the driver's side hub in right now. At least we got the passenger side one on, just keeping the dirt and the dog hair out because the dogs are shedding really bad. So with that being said, guys, we're going to put that on hold. With the Chinese virus right now, I don't know how soon that's going to be. I'm really trying to keep the daily drivers going, so there's going to be some 6-liter videos coming up. The Bronco, I already pulled the trigger on some bottom end stuff prior to this virus getting here, so the 429 build's probably going to be this summer. Well, soon. It is going to be this spring, actually. With it going into the Bronco, I'm not sure. I think that's going to be delayed a little bit. At least we'll get the engine built on the stand, get it ready to go in the Bronco. Enjoy the 351M through the summer, and hopefully by next winter everything's going to be just back to normal again, is what I'm hoping. So got some 6-liter videos coming up. I also went ahead, we already had the exhaust system here, so I went ahead and put the exhaust on the new mufflers, the new cherry bombs, the thrush glass packs, what you want to call those guys. They're welded in, they're working great. My welder broke, and I had some problems trying to get the welds to come out good on that exhaust system. It was really frustrating, but bear with me on that video. It's just a temporary exhaust anyway, and I'm not the best at exhaust work. That is one of my downfalls. I hate exhaust. I do not do exhaust very well. But when we do the 429, we're actually going to take it down to a shop here in town. It's really expensive. He does really good work, but it's worth it. So yeah, 6-liter maintenance is coming up soon. Probably in the next week, you're going to see a 6-liter video. Yeah, it was fun. I didn't film enough on that last night, but it was a learning curve. But we've got a nice turbo going back in the 6-liter, so stay tuned to that for that video. And until next time, guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Comments do go down below. Hit that subscribe button, and probably see another Bronco video this week. Some 6-liter videos, and I don't know where the channel's going from there. But really watching the pennies right now, and you guys should be doing the same thing. It's tough times. It's just a weird time, and I hope everybody's staying safe, healthy. If any first responders are out there, thank you, and hope all is well, and you guys stay safe. All right, guys, till next time. See you here on Central Oregon Shenanigans.